Hello friends, welcome to our channel Vidya Namastu. By saying learn what you love and love what you learn, we'll start with our video. In this video, we'll be learning how to do factorization of quadratic polynomial using two methods. Which are those two methods? Let me explain with an example. Here I have an expression x square minus 3x minus 4, which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, where the coefficient of x square, that is a, which is equal to 1, and the coefficient of x, that is b, we have minus 3, and the constant term c, we have it as minus 4. Now let me come to the first method 1, which is called as middle term splitting. Here we need to split the middle term into b1 and b2. Simply we can't split into b1 and b2. So for that we have two conditions. That is, we have to get b1 into b2, which is equal to the product of a and c. That is, in this case, 1 into minus 4 itself. And the other condition is that b1 plus b2, which is equal to b, that is equal to minus 3. These are the two conditions that has to be satisfied. So think about which are the two numbers. Now we can take two numbers, 4 and 1. So if we take 4 and 1, that also has to satisfy this condition, that is a into c, we should get it as minus 4, that is b1 into b2, we should get it as minus 4. Therefore in b1 and b2, that is in 1 and 4, any one number should be minus. So let us take 4 and minus 1, b1 as 4 and b2 as minus 1. So if we multiply 4 and into minus 1, we will get it as minus 4. But what about this condition, b1 plus b2 equal to minus 3? So b1 is 4 and b2 is minus 1. 4 minus 1 equal to, we will get 3. But what we should get is minus 3. Therefore, this condition cannot be satisfied. So let us interchange. b1, let us take b1 as minus 4 and b2 as 1. If we take b1 as minus 4 and b2 as 1, minus 4 into 1, that we will get it as minus 4. And minus 4 plus 1, we will get it as minus 3 itself. Therefore, these two conditions will be satisfied with b1 equal to minus 4 and b2 equal to 1. Now we will split the equation as ax square plus b1x plus b2x plus c, which is 1x square. b1 we have got it as minus 4, therefore minus 4x plus 1x. b2 we got it as 1x plus constant term c, which is minus 4. Now taking common in 1x square and minus 4, we have x as a common term in these two. So we will take x as a common term and we will put a bracket. Inside the bracket we will get x into x, we will get it as x square, and in this term minus 4 will be left out, therefore we will write minus 4 and we will close the bracket. And next, in these two terms we have to take a common out, so therefore there is no common here, we will take 1 as a common term, okay, plus 1, and inside the bracket we will get x minus 4 itself, okay, close the bracket. Now x minus 4 and x minus 4, these two are common here, therefore we will write x minus 4 and left over is x plus 1, that also we will write it here. So in order to find the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4, we have to make x minus 4 equal to 0 and we have to make x plus 1 equal to 0. Now here in x minus 4 equal to 0, in order to find x, here this minus 4 is on the left hand side. When it comes to the right hand side, this will become plus 4. Therefore we will get x equal to 4, and here x plus 1 is there. Bringing plus 1 to right hand side, we will get x equal to minus 1. Okay, now method 2. In this method, we will use the standard formula, which is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is very important formula which you have to remember always. Why? That I will tell you in the next slide. Now we have x equal to minus b. B we have minus 3. Therefore minus b will become minus of minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square, that is minus 3 square. Minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 1. 4 into 1 into c we have minus 4. 4 into 1 into minus 4 whole divided by 2 into 1. So we will get it like this: minus of minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 4 whole divided by 2 into 1. Okay, now we have x equal to minus of minus will become plus. Plus 3 plus or minus minus 3 the whole square will become 9. 3 square, 3 into 3 is 9, and minus into minus will become plus. Therefore minus 3 the whole square will become 9. Minus, here also minus into minus will become plus, and 4 into 4, that is 16 into 1, which is 16 itself. Therefore under square root we will get 9 plus 16 whole divided by 2 into 1, which is 2 itself. Therefore we will get it like this: minus into minus 3, 3 plus or minus square root of 9 plus 16 whole divided by 2. Okay, which is equal to plus 3 plus or minus square root of 25 divided by 2. Now x we have two terms, that is x equal to 3 plus square root of 25 whole divided by 2, and x equal to 3 minus square root of 25 by 2. What is square root of 25? Square root of 25 is 5. Therefore we can write it as x equal to 3 plus 5 whole divided by 2. 3 plus 5 is 8. We will get 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. And taking x equal to 3 minus 5 whole divided by 2. X equal to 3 minus 5 whole divided by 2. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 and divided by 2, which is equal to minus 1. Therefore the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4, we will get it as plus 4 and minus 1. In both the methods we got the zeros as same. Okay, now let me go to the another example, that is x square plus 7x plus 3, which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, where we have a equal to 1, b equal to 7 and c equal to 3. So to split the middle term, that is b, into two terms, we have two conditions, that is b1 into b2, which should be equal to a into c, that is 3. Okay, and another condition is that b1 plus b2, we should get it as 7. Think whether there is any numbers which can be split b into b1 and b2 that satisfies both these conditions. No, we don't have any numbers that can be split b into b1 and b2 that satisfies both the conditions. Remember that in last slide I have told you the formula is very important, that we have to remember forever in factorization of any quadratic polynomial. So we will make use of that formula here. we have x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Okay, now substituting the values, that is x equal to minus b, that is b equal to 7. Here we will get it as minus 7 plus or minus square root of b square, that is 7 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 3. So here we will get minus 4 into 1 3. Okay, whole divided by 2 into 1. Okay, we have x equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of 7 square minus 4 into 1 into 3 whole divided by 2 into 1. We have x equal to minus 7 plus or minus 7 square, we have got it as 49 minus 4 into 3, that is minus 12 whole divided by 2, which is equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of 37 by 2. Okay, here we have two terms, minus 7 plus square root of 37 whole divided by 2, and x equal to minus 7 minus square root of 37 whole divided by 2. We have two terms here. Okay, we can write it as x equal to minus 7 plus square root of 37 by 2 and x equal to minus 7 minus square root of 37 by 2. Therefore, these two are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 7x plus 3. Thank you for watching, friends.